Unlock the secrets to crafting progressive house that truly tugs at the heartstrings. Emotional depth in progressive house isn't accidental. It comes down to carefully chosen building blocks. Let's explore how to achieve that profound connection with your listeners. The foundation of emotion often lies in your chord progressions. Forget basic major triads. Think about incorporating minor chords, sus chords, and even minor sevenths or ninths. Experiment with longer, evolving progressions that create a sense of journey and release. For instance, starting on a minor chord and moving through a series of melancholic yet uplifting progressions can instantly evoke a feeling of longing or nostalgia. Pay attention to the voice leading between chords, ensuring smooth transitions that guide the listener's ear and emotions. Melodic phrasing is your emotional paintbrush. Instead of just playing notes, think about how the melody breathes. Use longer, sustained notes to build tension and create a sense of vulnerability. Incorporate subtle bends and vibrato to add organic character. Consider calend response patterns between different melodic elements, mirroring a conversation or an internal dialogue. A simple, memorable melody with a touch of reverb and delay can be far more impactful than a complex, virtuosic one. The space between notes, the pauses, are just as important as the notes themselves. They allow the emotion to resonate. Atmospheric sound design is the immersive element that wraps listeners in your emotion. Think beyond just kicks and snares. Introduce lush pads with slow attack and long release times, creating a warm, enveloping soundscape. Utilize subtle white noise or filtered pink noise to add a sense of vastness or introspection. Field recordings, like gentle rain or distant whispers, can add a unique human element. Experiment with reverb and delay to create a sense of space and depth, making your track feel like a sonic environment your listener can inhabit and truly feel. By mastering these techniques, the evocative chord progressions, the heartfelt melodic phrasing, and the immersive atmospheric sound design, you can elevate your progressive house from just a beat to an experience that truly moves the soul. Go forth and create something beautiful.